washroom. There's a waiting area. Shama. Honestly चीज़ बताओ, अगर ऐसी चीज़ें रखी होंगी, अभी देखना हाँ, मेरे रूम में भी ऐसी चीज़ें रखी हुई हैं ऐसे. आई गेट इट, थोड़ा विंटेज वाइब देने की कोशिश करिए. अब ये रखा हुआ है, आप हॉन्टेड नहीं मानोगे ये सबको, हद हो गई. और ऐसे फैन और लाइट, उफ, मेरी लिटरली फर्स्ट टाइम फट गई. एंड लुक एट दिस, दो इट्स ब्यूटिफुल बट आई वाज लिटरली सो स्कैर्ड हियर एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. पर यहाँ से पता नहीं, ये तो खुलता ही नहीं है, बताओ. Isn't it little freaking out? अब दूसरे रूम में चलो, ठीक है. इतनी सारी पेंटिंग लगाने की क्या ज़रूरत है? आई मीन सीरियसली. फिर ये डक, आपको डर नहीं लगेगा? और सडनली ये विंडो, ये बैल्कनी का दरवाज़ा खुल जाए. Isn't it scary? I have shown you many Airbnbs in India, but we are in the US this time, and I'm going to be taking you around to this incredible Airbnb that I'm staying at Lake George. So basically, initially, you'll see in the video how I had a jump scare everywhere I was entering the Airbnb. It was, when we reached, it was basically quite late. It was about really dark, say about 8ish in the evening, and everything felt so scary. I had a jump scare. I felt like I was in a haunted house or something like that. I slept also praying to God, oh my God. But in the morning, it is so beautiful and peaceful. I'd always heard the concept of cabins in the US, and I'd seen it in many TV shows that I used to watch back then, and I still do. But when I experienced it myself, I have to tell you how incredible and what an experience this is. So come with me into this crazy tour. First, you'll see what I experienced on first-hand basis in the evening, and now I'm going to show you after how it looks in the day, and you will see a big contrast. In the end, I will tell you how much it cost us and what all you can see nearby in the next one. But for now, you have to experience this incredible place with me. So let's go. Haunted house in USA. This is the door, but where is the lock to this door? Bro, are you sure? Oh my god. Okay, this is the lock. We found it. 1323 था ना? दोस्तों, मैं ना, I'm in a haunted house in USA. This is the scariest thing. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा टीवी, बहुत अच्छा ये लगा है, ये देखिए. And this is the living area. अभी हम धीरे करके we'll start exploring this kitchen net first. यहाँ पे lights हैं, ये फ्रिज दिया हुआ है, और यहाँ पे ना गैस है. ओह, लाइट ऑन हो गई. ये गैस साइड है. ये हमें पूरा फुल्ली इक्विप्ड किचन दिया हुआ है. कॉफ़ी मशीन भी है. कैन यू बिलीव इट? दिस इज़ सो कूल. और
in most good Airbnbs, and in US especially, you will see a fully equipped kitchen that has crockery, cutlery, even bottle openers. You will often find dishwashers and cleaning liquids to keep guests comfortable.
then you can also bake your toast. Now this is the washroom. It's quite a big washroom. Also you have laundry ka area, and there is a mirror. Hello. Okay, they've given you towels right here, which is great actually, and some body soap. हर जगह पेंटिंग लगी हुई है और ये एक और एरिया है चिल करने के लिए. ये रूम है. इट्स अ बेडरूम. It's pretty. See. This is the room. ये lovely mirror है.
A complete glimpse of the master bedroom that will keep you cozy.
This is the dining area also, and this is another bathroom that they've given, and this is the shower area जो बहुत ही vintage अगर बोल सके तो, and towels again super. This is private, so this has lock. I don't think you can open this. Okay, फिर यहाँ से we go. यहाँ पे you can keep your stuff, and here you can sit like a raja. And यहाँ पे आप अपना सामान डाल सकते हो, like you can hang your clothes and stuff. This is the alley area, जहाँ पे इन्होंने बहुत आर्टिस्टिकली चीज़ें रखी हुई है, पर मुझे जंप स्केयर हो गया था कुछ चीज़ें देख के. This is another smally cute room, and yeah, the last room is I think this one, which is right here. ये लगा room.
This is the outer space of the Airbnb, where it's pretty scary and adventurous to explore. Here you have a space to enjoy the bonfire in the night alongside a starry sky. Walking around the Airbnb and its area and figuring out every door and space that it could have and playing guessing games for what it is. And also, this is the cutest cat in me, figuring out everything and making sense of it.
In the night you could absolutely see nothing, and this is the number of the cabin, and this is what it has. This I couldn't see in the night at all. And as you move around this cool path, it is so nice. And in fact, I'll show you what is around the cabin as well. It's so green and beautiful. This is our cabin which you saw in the night as well, and this is what it looks in the day. Oh my god, what a contrast. Imagine you have a little sitting space here as well. This is a barbecue setup that if you wish to do, you can do. And then you have the fire space, which we're going to do tonight. So I'm super excited to show you this space. And then remember when we were taking a tour in the evening and we were taking it around the cabin, this is what we missed out on because you couldn't see anything, was the basketball court, which is so much fun. And look at this little sitting space. Isn't it so beautiful? And like it feels like you're in some like crazy sweet little movie. And then you have these trees that the space is surrounded by, and there's also a complete jungle inside. Just imagine. And if you see right opposite, there's another cabin sort of Airbnb made there, which we can't go due to privacy reasons. Anyway, so this is the last room inside the cabin, which has an exit of this area, which you can open, of course. And then this is actually the garage, which we don't have access to. And then you can walk back and you'll reach the starting and the beginning of the house. It is I have absolutely no words when I'm telling you and explaining how amazing this place is. I mean, in the night I was so scared, and now I am all excited, jumpy, and so full of enthusiasm to show you every bit of this place. It's so green. Just imagine what it would be in the winters, white and nice. And when you are done with your Airbnb, about to check out, you can put all your garbage in these bins, which is how you should leave the place, clean and as you came, how clean it was, you should leave it as clean when you leave as well. So this is that free space that you have within, next to the B&B, which is so beautiful. I mean, I absolutely have no words, and just the sound of nature and this green path that is taking me to an absolute bliss.
Now you see how vintage and cozy this cabin looks in the daytime. A drastic difference. Here is the welcome book and some spaces of the Airbnb you shouldn't miss on.
All good things come to an end, and so does this beautiful stay and this incredible Airbnb. Initially, yes, I was super scared and I had all my doubts of this place, but by the end I am so full of emotions that I'm leaving. It was basically a 3-night package that we took, and I'm going to put the link in the description below of how you can book this space. But you should, in fact, ever you come to the US or you are in USA, please do take this place for a weekend getaway or just a staycation, because this is something that you're going to ultimately take some beautiful memories with. The other thing that I wanted to add to this basically was that don't forget to do a bonfire and experience the star sky, which I did, and I was like mesmerized. So in the end of this vlog, I'm going to put what I really experienced and saw, and I shot it on the GoPro, so you can check that out as well. So yes, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.